It's very difficult to summarize it in few words. Right? After his demise, which was a very difficult thing for us to even acknowledge.
We were the last
We
one
went to see him before he passed away.
before he passed away.
So after we had a small program in Delhi to remember him, to honor him, to pay homage to him. I can share with you later what I wrote as if I am writing a letter to Professor Menon. So I wrote a letter as if he's still alive and talking to me. I can share that with you later. So it is not that after I came to Supreme Court and started practicing here, Professor Menon went out of my life. No. He was there throughout in some way or the other. For instance, he was one great reason why we got closely associated with Justice Krishna Iyer, one of the legendary judges of the Supreme Court of India, internationally recognized as a great judge. So courtesy Professor Menon, हम लोग कृष्ण अय्यर साहब के साथ like a family friend became so close. So that brought us to get involved in a wide range of activities: law, justice, human rights, social justice, culture, anything you say. And both of us were together involved in that. And we got closely associated with a few other judges who began to recognize the importance of changing the whole Indian legal system, the legal structures, the institutions of justice. Like I've been fortunate enough, again, courtesy Professor Menon, to get closely associated with Justice Bhagavati, former Chief Justice of India, and quite a few judges. And Justice Chinnappa Reddy was another judge who took a lot of liking for me. And Professor Menon was the common link between me and the judges. And much later, when Professor Menon thought of the idea of a 5-year law school, and the Bangalore Law School University came, almost every month I used to go. He used to call me, come, there's some work, I used to go. So that brought me into close contact with a lot of teachers in the field of law. Now today, I think I virtually know every vice chancellor, every law teacher in any part of India, because that's the common connection again was Professor Menon, the Bangalore Law School, and later when he became a director of the National Judicial Academy, he said you must come and be part of the faculty. So that's another great experiment in my life, to talking to judges at different levels, higher judiciary, high court judges and Supreme Court judges, now judges coming from foreign countries. And but thereafter, since Professor Menon was continuing part of my life, and he thought I had a lot of interest in legal education. So my interest in legal education is now, I think, more importantly, because of the reasons which Professor Menon taught and which I also believe to be true. So we were engaged in a number of activities. There are some unfinished work of Professor Menon, some books to be published, and changes in legal education. He often used to say, we must convert legal education into justice education. So what is this transformation? How could that happen? And I think that's probably one more activity for the rest of my life, which I would like to pursue.